Kia ora, my name's Bronwyn Wood and I'm a lecturer here at Faculty of Education, Victoria, University of Wellington. I teach in Education Studies on the BA and with a particular focus on youth and society, but I also train social studies secondary teachers and I previously was a geography and social studies teacher. The focus of my presentation today is if you're interested at all in primary or secondary teaching in the future, I want to talk to you about how you can prepare yourself to leave that option open for you. As students, you've observed teachers for many, many years, and you know more than anyone else whether you're interested in teaching in the future. But if you have even the smallest idea that you may be interested, it's well worth thinking about how you can structure your degree to make sure that possibility is open for you. Victoria University is very well set up for education. Not only do we offer a wide range of subjects at the undergraduate level in both education studies and education psychology, but we also have courses right through to teaching qualifications at the postgraduate level. If you're interested in primary teaching, you can basically study anything you wish for your undergraduate degree and then apply for our one-year graduate or Masters of Teaching course. Even though this degree is quite open, we encourage you to consider doing some te reo Māori in your degree, and subjects such as maths, English and science are really useful to you for future teaching. Also, adding some education papers into your degree, if you even have a tiny bit of interest in future teaching, as they help you face the raft of issues which schools and classrooms face every single day that we simply can't cover off in your 10 months of teacher training. If you're interested in secondary teaching, basically you need to think now about the type of subjects you might pick for your degree. You need to choose subjects which are taught in schools, so you need to have one of those subjects at least up to 300 level, with a second subject preferably up to 200 level. We can help you talk through these things if you are interested in that at the Faculty of Education and some of the careers advisors here as you set up your degree, because it's quite important to make sure you have that set up well. Do get in touch with us if you need any further information or specific guidance, because we're here to help you. And whatever you end up doing, I just wish you the best and hope that you can join us here next year.